Thank you so much for joining us once again today. Once again, my name is Nicholas Ngangamaina. I'm the head of marketing for Safal Building Systems. Today we have Oscar, and he's going to address some of the concerns that you've been able to raise, and it's about how does this Safal home come to life? You know, where do you start? How does it end? What happens? And how when do you get into your home? So at this juncture, I would want to introduce Oscar. Oscar, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Oscar Nyabenge. I'm in charge of construction, that is construction coordinator, who handles the installation of Safal homes. And I'm glad to be here to clarify anything that may help someone understand better how we put up these structures.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Oscar. Now,
Yes.
one of the biggest questions that I've received so far is how do we build this thing? You know, I have a 50 by 100 plot in Ushago, and actually I want to construct, but I'm used to brick and mortar. So, what is the difference between building Safal homes and building with brick and mortar?
Uh, Building Safal homes will make your work slightly easier
Okay.
in terms of setting up your building. For brick and mortar, of course, based on the size of the plot you have, like you're mentioning what you actually have,
Yes.
we are able to tell you what size of building will fit into the plot,
Okay.
and we'll give you a standard. We'll give you standard building which you can choose from.
Okay.
But still, if you have a specific re- requirement in terms of design,
Yes.
we can still customize it to your structure. Of course, that is totally dependent on the size of the space you have, like you
Okay.
mentioned.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll give you a standard building to choose from if you choose that way,
Yes.
or if you choose to go with your customized layout,
Yes.
then now from there we'll have to do a design specifically for you. If you
Excellent.
choose to pick our standard, the
Yes.
designs are ready.
Yes.
We'll just proceed with your to service your order and provide you with your building.
Excellent.
Yes,
So tell me, by the way, so if I have my own design,
yes.
do I still need to have an architect in this conversation, or does a Safal building system have people who can assist me in customizing my design so that I can build a home like this Safal home?
There are two ways to it. We'll be able to give you a design
Yes,
from our end based on your requirement.
yes,
But of course, you can't rule out the aspect of the architects in designing your structure how you want it
yes.
for functionality and all that.
Okay,
So an architect can come up with that, then us will adopt it
yes,
to provide you based on our solution.
okay,
Now what works,
yes,
how it all works together.
yes.
But still, if you don't have an architect, we are also able to understand your brief
Yes.
and give you what you require.
Excellent.
Yes,
Okay, so tell me now that we've covered all that, and now we are at site. Now I want to build, and
yes,
I've already given you the order.
yeah.
What happens?
Now, after we agree on the design, whether you
Yes,
choose standard or customize,
yes.
we'll do a drawing.
Okay.
The drawing now will guide you on site, because at site they need to be the foundation works needs to go on,
Yes,
because we you need to come up to the level of the slab.
yes.
That's our structure start.
Okay.
So with the dimensions we give you, because our structure come from the factory,
Yes,
prefabricated and everything cut to
yes,
size
yes,
to avoid all the issue of wastage and all the mess at site.
yes,
So when you're doing your foundation work,
yes,
it needs to follow exactly that. So as you do as the foundation work goes on at site,
yes.
we'll be already fabricating the structural component
Okay.
in our workshop,
Yes,
so that they run together to save on time.
yes.
Yes.
So now that you've explained to us the process, you know, in terms of us choosing the standard designs and also customizable designs,
Yes.
tell us now that we've gotten to the site, and I want to start building using Safal homes.
Yes.
What essentially happens, and how is it different with brick and mortar? Because one of the biggest questions I have is why should I build with you and not build with brick and mortar?
Once we finalize on the design,
Yes,
we'll give you the measurements to
yes,
use for your foundation.
yes,
And the good thing with this is, because we are doing a lot as a lighter building,
Yes.
considering that for like concrete, where we should ordinarily use concrete columns,
Yes.
we'll just be giving you tubes
Yes.
that we produce and fabricate at MRM,
Yes.
which are lighter.
Yes.
And even for the usual masonry walling that you do,
Yes.
we are using lighter panels,
Yes.
that is insulated panels,
Yes.
which still gives you the equal or actually better strength,
Yes.
but at a lighter weight. So your foundation essentially
Yes.
reduces, which saves you on material, because less concrete, less steel, reinforcement steel means some saving in
Excellent.
terms of what you consume at the foundation level.